In this video, I'll show you how to use SuiteDash to manage membership site access efficiently. If you're searching for a quick, simple way to organize member access, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to streamline your membership management, and I'll even share some alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. Let's dive right in. First off, SuiteDash is a versatile platform that allows you to manage memberships, tasks, and a whole lot more, all from one place. It's an all-in-one solution, but when it comes to managing membership site access, there are a few things you need to know to make the most of it. Next thing, let's talk about creating user groups. When you first set up your membership site, you'll need to organize your members. SuiteDash lets you create customized user groups with specific permissions, so you can control who sees what content and what they can do. For example, you can have different levels like free members, paid members, or VIP members. You can assign access to certain features, content, and even set up different pricing plans for each group. This is where the flexibility comes in. The fourth thing you'll want to do is set up access to your content. SuiteDash provides a secure way to manage who can see your exclusive content, such as gated articles, courses, or webinars. This is done through their secure portal, where you can assign different levels of access to your members based on their group. If you're running a membership site with varying content tiers, this feature is a game changer. Another important point is automation. SuiteDash offers automated workflows that can help manage member signups, renewals, and upgrades without you needing to lift a finger. You can set up triggers to notify members when it's time to renew, or even upgrade them automatically if they meet the criteria for a higher tier membership. This is especially useful when you have a lot of members to keep track of. One downside of SuiteDash, though, is that its interface can be a bit overwhelming for first-time users. While it's powerful, the learning curve is something to be aware of. It may take some time to get used to all the features, and if you're just looking for something simple, it could feel like overkill. Now, if you're looking for something that's a little more user-friendly with less of a learning curve, there are some great alternatives out there. For example, platforms like MemberPress and MemberStack offer more intuitive interfaces for managing membership access. While SuiteDash is feature-rich, these alternatives are worth considering if you're more focused on ease of use and want something that won't require as much time to learn. Finally, I want to mention that in the description below, you'll find an exclusive and extended free trial of SuiteDash through our link. But I've also included some great alternatives with free trials, and for the goal of easy membership management, they might actually serve you better. These alternatives not only offer a streamlined experience, but also come with perks that could save you time and hassle in the long run. Through the link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Be sure to check it out and make the best choice for your membership site.